I know my hair not tied down. Hush, y'all, hush. Don't slaughter me in the comments. Don't look at the back, just look at the front. She kind of cute though, ain't she?
Moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Tayy coming to you today with another video. And this video is going to be a tutorial how I got this bomb blunt cut bob. Super easy, it's super detailed. I'm going to give you guys little tips and tricks that I don't really see on other videos. A lot of people just kind of just go through it and don't really show you exactly what to do and how to avoid the mistakes that I kept making over and over. So yes, if you guys want to see how I made this blunt cut bob style, then stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed, you guys, what we doing? Like, we not here? Like, we not here, you guys? We not here? What's going on? But yes, so I don't make intros because I suck at them. So as you can tell, I don't know what else to say. Going on to this new video that I just posted y'all right now. I'm going to give you guys a tutorial on how you do a blunt cut bob, okay? Yes, I said blunt cut bob. Blunt cut bobs is about to be in and popping for the summertime and for the springtime. I am located in South Carolina, so the spring is coming a little early. Like, it's coming a little early. Springtime means it's my birthday.
Girl, it's your birthday. In here tonight. Girl, it's your
2025, y'all. I'm so grown. So grown. Yeah, I'm going to record my birthday because I am doing a Mardi Gras party. So you guys better tune in and look forward to that. My birthday is April the 1st. On the party on the 7th. So I should have like a vlog up. Aside from all of that stuff, you guys didn't come to hear me ramble. This hair it came from Sam's Beauty. They did send me this hair from their website. They do sell all types of hair. They sell the crochet hair. They sell the virgin hair. They sell human hair. Whatever beauty supply stores sell, like literally, they sell. So it is a frontal, and it is straight, Brazilian straight. I think I got the inches 16, 18, and 20, which I kind of always get. I think the frontal is like 14 though, it's not that long. But I noticed a lot of people make mistakes when they do the blunt cut bobs. You know, a lot of it, the left side be up here, the right side be down here, and they don't understand how they even get there. I'm going to show you, woman to woman, woman to man, woman to you, honey. I'm going to show you how you do a blunt cut bob where everybody can do it, not just me doing it on myself and y'all like, I can't do that. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it on a wig, and who can't make a wig. Like nowadays it's like 30,000 videos on how to make a wig, right? One thing about this hair and this wig per se, the bundles are not really full. So if you don't like really a full style, then that's great for you. This is perfect for a bob because I don't really like a Lord Farquaad bob, you know what I'm saying? You do not want that bob, okay? And I say for bobs, do 2 packs or 2 bundles. 3 bundles is a little too full. I feel like if you want a longer style, then do 3 bundles, but I feel like 2 bundles are fine. I'm going to straighten this hair. I'm just going to fast forward through straightening this hair. Okay, you guys, now that everything's basically pressed out, as you can see, it's pretty straight. The hair is very, very nice and it's very, very soft. I kind of want it to be like right here. I'm guessing that's about like right here. Always do it a little longer than what you want. So you make your first snip in the front, 2 snips, one right here, one right here, and then you go to the back, in the back middle, and then make your snip then, and then you kind of just line everything up. So it's good to kind of have a guide, and that way you make sure that both of the fronts match too, because I done had instances where I did the back, then did one side and had to keep trying to cut and snip the other side just to get the fronts to match. First thing you're gonna do is drink your water, especially if you're gonna be thirsty doing this. Because it's a workout, so you want to get hydrated. I'm going to cut about right here. Don't be cutting like this. Don't be cutting like this. Don't be cutting like this when you're doing a blunt cut bob. Everything needs to be even. You don't need any type of layer, so you don't need to elevate your hand. So keep all your cuts as close to the mannequin head as possible. So your first snip, I'm going to do the other side to make it match. And you're just going to even it up. And you're going to do the same thing on the back. So what you're going to do is you're going to start in the back, and then you're going to start at the bottom. I do leave the sides out, the one that I originally cut. You got that even cut in the back. And then all you're gonna do is work your way upward and then even that out. So you're just gonna grab some more and make sure you can see the other layer under it. See how you do this and you can't really see the other layer under it? That means you got too much. So get less than that. When I do it like this, now I can see my guide. See? You guys can see the guide too. Right there. And then you're just gonna steady move up. And then you're gonna go to one side and do the exact same thing that you did on the back to that side. So you can line up with whatever guide is beside you. So I did that side in the back for the most part. And all you're gonna do is just keep lining everything up like always. Oh, girl, straighten your head up. She's not cooperating. This is not a mannequin head. This is not a mannequin tripod stand. This is like a camera tripod stand. But somehow, by the grace of God, I finessed it to be a mannequin stand. See, it's pretty much lining up. So see how this is a little longer. It's cool. We're gonna even all that out. But for the most part, get it as uniform as you can. It's gonna fit on my head right now, but I can try and see if it can fit on my head. But this is about how it's gonna look. Don't pay attention to the back. I think it's really cute. And this is my hair right here, looking crazy. But I think it's really freaking cute. Yes. See the little crusties is from the Got To Be Glued. But again, how do you guys think it turned out? I think it turned out really, really well. Without paying attention to the back. But yes, without me having a part right there, it looks pretty good. But you know, it's gonna look way more natural when I actually part my hair right there. But yes, my frontal is laying pretty flat. But yes, so if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And bye guys.